Good evening. It was noticeably cooler today as a weak frontal cloud band moved over Viti Levu late yesterday evening, bringing cloud, some showers and freshening south to southeast winds. Rainfall totals of 5 to 10 millimeters were recorded along the southern Viti Levu coast from Sigatoka to Suva. The weakening frontal cloud band is evident on the satellite image over Fiji, where it is currently slow moving. The cloud associated with the frontal band is weakening and will dissipate within a day or two at most. Randomly scattered thunderstorm clouds remain active over ocean waters north of the Solomon Islands. The latest wind chart shows fresh to strong and gusty southeast trade winds covering Fiji and surrounding ocean waters. The fresh onshore wind flow will continue to bring the odd shower or two to the windward coast and inland hills of Viti Levu, as well as Kandavu and the islands of Lau and Lomai Viti. Temperatures will stay cool to mild as the air moving over Fiji originates well south near New Zealand. Rain remains elusive about the west, with weather staying dry with a mix of sun and clouds. Cool overnight and mild during the day with moderate southeast winds and fresh afternoon sea breezes. Cloudy at times about Vanua Levu with a few brief showers along the Hibiscus coast in the onshore flow, mainly overnight or early morning. Flying to the north, cool southeast trade winds fresh at times. Continuing mostly cloudy tomorrow about the central and eastern division with a few overnight or early morning showers. Long fine intervals during the day, moderate to fresh southeast trade winds. A strong wind warning is current for all coastal waters with southeast trade winds averaging 20 to 25 knots, moderate to rough seas and swells over open waters easing a little inshore. The fine dry weather returns from Thursday as lingering cloud and showers clear away once more. Temperatures staying cool to mild through to the weekend as high pressure strengthens over the Tasman Sea in coming days. There are no weather concerns right now except of course for the absence of rain about the west. For all the latest weather information, check our webpage at www.nandraki.com or visit our Facebook page. From the Nandraki and My TV team, good evening.